Welcome to DECOLOVA, where timeless design meets the beauty of everyday living. Today, we are stepping into a kitchen style that brings together two seemingly different worlds: the nostalgic charm of vintage interiors and the clean, practical functionality of modern design. Modern vintage kitchens are not simply about recreating the past. They are about selecting the most beautiful details from earlier eras and combining them with contemporary comfort, thoughtful layouts, and practical features. The result is a kitchen that feels familiar yet fresh, elegant yet welcoming, and full of character without becoming outdated. What makes modern vintage kitchen design so appealing is its ability to tell a story. Vintage-inspired details can create an atmosphere filled with warmth, personality, and visual history, while modern elements keep the space comfortable and efficient for contemporary living. Think of classic cabinetry paired with streamlined appliances, traditional silhouettes balanced by clean countertops, or nostalgic colors softened by sophisticated materials. This contrast creates an interior that feels collected rather than overly coordinated. Every element has an opportunity to contribute to the personality of the kitchen, creating a space that feels intentionally designed but still wonderfully lived in. Cabinetry is often the foundation of a modern vintage kitchen, and this is where the personality of the room can really begin to emerge. Instead of choosing completely plain contemporary cabinets, consider designs with subtle traditional details such as framed doors, shaker profiles, classic handles, or softly curved edges. Painted cabinetry can introduce an especially charming vintage character, particularly when paired with muted greens, creamy whites, warm blues, dusty neutrals, or sophisticated earthy tones. The key is restraint. The cabinetry should suggest nostalgia without making the kitchen feel like a historical replica. Modern proportions and smart storage can quietly bring everything into the present. Color plays an enormous role in creating the emotional atmosphere of a vintage-inspired kitchen. Rather than relying on extremely bright or heavily saturated shades, modern vintage interiors often benefit from colors that feel slightly softened and timeless. Cream, warm white, sage green, muted blue, terracotta, dusty rose, deep olive, and warm brown can all create an inviting foundation. These colors work beautifully because they carry a sense of nostalgia while remaining sophisticated enough for contemporary interiors. A carefully selected palette can make the kitchen feel cohesive, allowing vintage details to stand out without competing with one another. The countertop is another opportunity to connect vintage aesthetics with modern practicality. Classic materials and traditional-looking surfaces can immediately add character, but today's kitchen demands durability and easy maintenance as well. Marble-inspired surfaces, natural stone, quartz, butcher block, and carefully selected ceramic materials can all work beautifully within this style. Imagine a warm cream cabinet paired with a subtly veined countertop, or deep green cabinetry contrasted with a natural woodwork surface. The goal is to create a material combination that feels established and timeless while still supporting the demands of modern cooking, entertaining, and everyday family life. Sometimes the smallest details can have the biggest visual impact. Hardware is a perfect example. Vintage-inspired knobs, cup pulls, latches, and handles can instantly give contemporary cabinetry a more distinctive personality. Brushed brass, aged bronze, antique-inspired finishes, and classic metal details can all introduce a subtle sense of history. However, modern vintage design works best when these details are carefully selected rather than used everywhere. A consistent hardware finish can create visual harmony, while slightly traditional shapes can provide that nostalgic character. These little touches become the punctuation marks of the kitchen, quietly reinforcing its timeless design language. Appliances offer one of the most exciting opportunities to blend old and new. A modern vintage kitchen can feature appliances with retro-inspired silhouettes while still providing the technology and performance expected today. Rounded refrigerator doors, classic-style ranges, traditional oven profiles, and statement-colored appliances can become visual focal points within the room. Yet the surrounding kitchen should remain balanced, so these pieces feel integrated rather than theatrical. The beauty lies in the combination. Recognizable vintage forms supported by modern engineering. This approach allows the kitchen to celebrate nostalgia while remaining completely functional for contemporary cooking and entertaining. A modern vintage kitchen should never feel too polished or sterile. Natural wood and tactile materials can bring softness and authenticity into the space. Wooden stools, open shelving, cutting boards, dining furniture, woven baskets, and vintage-inspired accessories can introduce layers of warmth without overwhelming the design. Texture is especially important because it gives the kitchen visual depth and prevents smooth modern surfaces from feeling cold. Even a simple combination of painted cabinets, natural wood, ceramic pieces, and aged metal can create a rich atmosphere. The objective is not perfection, but a sense of comfort that makes people want to stay a little longer. Tile can instantly establish the visual language of a modern vintage kitchen. Subway tiles remain a timeless choice, but their impact can change dramatically depending on the color, grout, finish, and arrangement. Soft cream tiles with darker grout can create a charming traditional atmosphere, while handmade-looking surfaces introduce subtle irregularity and character. For a stronger retro feeling, consider small geometric patterns, checkerboard layouts, or vintage-inspired ceramic designs. The secret is to avoid making every surface compete for attention. A carefully selected backsplash can become the decorative heart of the kitchen while allowing cabinetry, countertops, and accessories to breathe around it. Open shelving can bring both practicality and personality to a modern vintage kitchen. Instead of hiding every beautiful object behind cabinet doors, a few strategically placed shelves can display ceramic dishes, glassware, cookbooks, wooden boards, and carefully chosen decorative pieces. Wooden shelves can soften painted cabinetry, while simple metal brackets can introduce a subtle industrial influence. The important thing is to keep the arrangement intentional. Vintage kitchens often feel appealing because objects appear naturally collected over time. By combining useful everyday pieces with a few decorative treasures, open shelving can create that relaxed, lived-in atmosphere without making the kitchen feel cluttered. A statement range can become the visual anchor of a modern vintage kitchen. Traditional inspired ranges often feature substantial proportions, elegant controls, distinctive handles, and silhouettes that immediately create a sense of craftsmanship. Whether the range is neutral or carries a more expressive color, it can provide a focal point that gives the entire kitchen direction. Surrounding it with restrained cabinetry and a thoughtfully designed backsplash allows the appliance to feel intentional rather than excessive. This is where vintage inspiration becomes particularly powerful. An object associated with classic kitchens becomes a centerpiece while still delivering the performance expected from a contemporary cooking environment. A beautiful kitchen becomes even more inviting when it naturally connects with a dining area. In a modern vintage interior, this space does not need to feel formal. A classic wooden table, curved dining chairs, upholstered seating, or a small breakfast nook can create a welcoming place for everyday meals and conversations. The furniture can echo the kitchen's materials and colors without matching everything perfectly. Slight differences often make the space feel more authentic. A vintage-style dining table beside contemporary cabinetry, for example, can create a relaxed transition between generations of design while maintaining a cohesive visual identity. Accessories are where a modern vintage kitchen can develop its own story. Ceramic pitchers, antique-style clocks, woven baskets, wooden utensils, framed artwork, glass jars, and decorative trays can all add character. But more accessories do not automatically create more charm. The strongest interiors use decorative objects selectively, allowing each piece enough visual space to be appreciated. Choose items that feel connected through color, material, or shape rather than filling every empty surface. This creates an atmosphere that feels collected and personal instead of staged. The kitchen should look like a beautiful place where life happens, not a showroom filled with props. The floor has an important role in balancing the softer decorative elements of a vintage-inspired kitchen. Checkerboard flooring is an iconic option, especially when interpreted through contemporary proportions and sophisticated neutral colors. Natural wood flooring can create an even warmer atmosphere, while stone, patterned tile, or terracotta can bring an earthy European character. Whatever material you choose, consider how it interacts with the cabinetry and surrounding architecture. A strong floor pattern may work best with quieter cabinets, while a simple floor can provide the perfect foundation for more expressive vintage details. The goal is balance from the ground up. Behind the beautiful vintage appearance, a successful kitchen still needs highly practical storage. This is where modern functionality quietly becomes essential. Deep drawers, organized pantry systems, pull-out shelves, hidden compartments, integrated storage, and efficient cabinet layouts can make the room dramatically easier to use. These features do not need to be visually obvious. In fact, hiding modern storage technology behind traditional cabinet fronts can preserve the vintage character while providing contemporary convenience. This balance is one of the defining strengths of modern vintage design. The kitchen can look nostalgic on the outside while functioning intelligently behind the scenes. One of the most beautiful qualities of modern vintage design is that it does not have to look perfectly coordinated. In fact, a little variation can make the space feel more authentic. Combine different but complementary materials, introduce furniture with slightly different silhouettes, and allow decorative pieces to have their own personalities. A wooden stool beside painted cabinetry, an old-fashioned ceramic bowl on a modern countertop, or vintage artwork above contemporary furniture can create layers of visual history. When these elements share a thoughtful color palette and proportion, the result feels collected over time rather than purchased all at once. As we approach the final layer of our modern vintage kitchen, it is the small finishing details that bring everything together. Consider classic faucets with elegant curves, decorative ceramic containers, framed artwork, vintage-inspired textiles, and carefully selected countertop accessories. These elements may seem minor individually, but together they create a stronger sense of identity. The secret is to choose pieces that support the overall story rather than simply filling empty spaces. A successful kitchen should feel visually interesting from every angle, yet never overwhelming. This balance allows the vintage character to remain charming while the modern foundation keeps the room sophisticated and practical. Now we arrive at the final element, light. Lighting should be treated as more than a practical necessity because it can completely transform the atmosphere of a modern vintage kitchen. Pendant lights with classic silhouettes, brass or aged metal details, glass shades, and softly shaped fixtures can reinforce the nostalgic character of the room. Under-cabinet lighting can quietly support food preparation, while decorative fixtures can emphasize dining areas, islands, or architectural features. Warm-toned illumination can make wood, cream cabinetry, natural stone, and vintage colors feel richer and more inviting. The best lighting design combines beauty and function, allowing every carefully selected material and detail to reveal its character. And that brings us to the heart of modern vintage kitchen design, creating a space where the past and present can comfortably live together. From character-rich cabinetry and nostalgic colors to modern storage, efficient appliances, natural materials, vintage accessories, and thoughtfully layered lighting, every element can contribute to a kitchen that feels both timeless and completely relevant today. This style proves that a home does not have to choose between personality and practicality. It can embrace the warmth of yesterday while enjoying the convenience of today. Thank you for joining DECOLOVA on this journey. If you love timeless interiors and beautiful home ideas, stay with us for more inspiration, and let your next space tell a story worth remembering.